Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than just a luxury automobile. It is a statement of sophistication, craftsmanship, and engineering excellence. Since its inception in 1925, the Phantom has consistently redefined the benchmarks for luxury motoring, making it the preferred choice of royalty, celebrities, and business moguls. Across multiple generations, it has evolved while maintaining the essence of supreme refinement, exclusivity, and technological innovation. The Phantom is not simply built, it is meticulously crafted, embodying the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. The exterior of the Phantom is a masterpiece of design and engineering. Every curve, line, and proportion is meticulously calculated to create a vehicle that is both imposing and elegant. The iconic Pantheon grille, inspired by Greek architecture, stands proudly at the front, adorned by the spirit of ecstasy, a symbol of grace and prestige. The long, sweeping body of the Phantom is seamlessly constructed, with an emphasis on clean lines and fluidity. Rolls-Royce ensures that every surface is perfectly polished, reflecting the brand's commitment to perfection. The coach doors, which open in a rear-hinged fashion, provide a grand entrance, reinforcing the sense of occasion that comes with every journey in a Phantom. The attention to detail extends even to the tires, which feature self-righting wheel centers, ensuring the Rolls-Royce emblem is always upright. Step inside, and the Phantom's interior envelops passengers in an environment of absolute luxury. The craftsmanship is second to none, with the finest leathers, handcrafted wood veneers, and precision-milled metal accents coming together to create a cabin that is both opulent and inviting. Every detail, from the grain of the wood to the stitching on the seats, is carefully chosen to meet Rolls-Royce's exacting standards. The Starlight headliner, one of the most iconic features, transforms the ceiling into a mesmerizing night sky, with thousands of fiber-optic lights hand-woven into the leather. Each Phantom owner has the option to customize this feature, choosing constellations that hold personal significance. The rear seat experience in the Phantom is akin to first-class travel. The seats offer multiple adjustment options, including reclining functions, footrests, and even massage settings. Rear passengers are treated to fold-out picnic tables, entertainment screens, and a champagne cooler, ensuring that every journey is an indulgence. The cabin remains whisper quiet, thanks to more than 130 kilograms of soundproofing material, double-glazed windows, and advanced engineering that eliminates road noise. Whether used for business discussions or leisurely travel, the Phantom provides an unparalleled sense of tranquility. At the heart of the Phantom lies a formidable 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing effortless power while maintaining Rolls-Royce's signature smoothness. Despite its size and weight, the Phantom delivers a driving experience that is both serene and authoritative. The engine provides seamless acceleration, making highway cruising effortless and city driving surprisingly manageable. The advanced air suspension system continuously adapts to road conditions, ensuring that passengers experience a ride that is often described as magic carpet-like. The car glides over imperfections, making every journey feel almost surreal in its smoothness. Technologically, the Phantom integrates state-of-the-art innovations without compromising its heritage of elegance. The dashboard features a hidden infotainment system that emerges only when needed, ensuring that technology remains discreet yet accessible. A digital instrument cluster blends seamlessly with classic analog-style elements, maintaining a balance between tradition and modernity. Driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, night vision, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering this grand vehicle remarkably easy, whether in urban environments or on open roads. Customization is at the core of the Rolls-Royce Phantom experience. The bespoke program allows owners to create a car that is uniquely theirs, from selecting rare wood finishes to commissioning hand-painted coach lines. Some customers even request bespoke embroidery, monograms, and custom artwork within the gallery, a feature in the dashboard that can house unique commissioned pieces. The level of personalization is virtually limitless, making every Phantom a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Owning a Phantom is not just about transportation, it is about experiencing the pinnacle of automotive luxury. It is a symbol of achievement, a vehicle that speaks of success without the need for words. Whether driven personally or enjoyed from the rear seats, the Phantom offers a level of prestige that few cars can match. It stands as a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to excellence, remaining the ultimate expression of luxury, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. There are many luxury cars in the world, but none quite like the Rolls-Royce Phantom. It is not simply an automobile, it is a rolling work of art, a sanctuary of comfort, and a symbol of timeless elegance. Each Phantom tells a story, reflecting the personality and taste of its owner. As the years go by, the Phantom continues to reign supreme, not just as a car, but as an experience that transcends the ordinary and defines true automotive luxury.